Okay, so I already undid some screws at the top. This is my little pop-up camper that went viral, and somebody took and screwed the frame to the wall in here, and the whole back of the fridge is gone. They were just using it as like a storage compartment. Well, we found a new Dometic fridge, 3-way power, so it'll run on 110, 12 volt, or propane. So they got propane line back there. I think we got an outlet back there. I think it was originally a 3-way also. But we're going to clean everything out of this hole, take all the screws out, rip the old frame out. Then just put this one in there, screw it back in, and then we just got to hook the propane up, 12 volt and 110 volts. So yeah, let's get her done. Okay guys, so I already took the top hinge off, got the door out of here. I'm gonna see what all screws we got left here. Now this stupid impact, if you let it sit for a minute, it turns the power off. You gotta get that figured out, get it replaced or something. You can tell looking at it, thing's still like brand new. Was working fine. So we're just pulling this frame out here. Okay. Now look at this. I think we just gotta, I think they framed something else up in here. Take all our junk out of here. Get her all ready to go. Yeah. I think we're gonna have to pull this other stuff out of here. Okay. Looks like they kind of screwed in some extra pieces here to frame this up with the door. They did quite a lot of work to not save the fridge. So now we gotta undo all their jury rigging to put in a new fridge. We'll just do these by feel. Don't want to get on the ground and crawl around. Okay. Now this hole should be perfect for the new fridge. Let's get her down there and see. I gotta stand back up. I'm a big old feller. Okay, now this is gonna be fun. Gotta push the bed out a little more here, I think. There you go. Gotta be careful with these fridges, and it's best to keep them good and level. Come on, guy. I'm just a hair off on the bottom here. Okay. Gotta make sure my 12 volt wiring goes in there right. Don't know what's hanging up there. I think it's this corner here. Can't ever just sit right in and go how it should, right? Yeah, it's these rods that hold up my roof pieces. Gonna have to get those out of the way. Hold on. Okay. Slide this baby in here. Now, dang hinge pieces here I think are a little too big. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'll just do that off camera. I'm gonna have to notch this little spot right here, probably on both sides, to get that set in there properly. So I'll rip her back out and just notch that little spot about 1.5 inches, and she'll go right in. And then let's see what it looks like inside here. Yeah. There's no shelves in it. I'm gonna cut some glass. I'll measure it. Probably have some plexiglass or something cut to go across there. So it's gonna need cleaned out good. But it's supposed to be a good working little fridge. Okay, so what I ended up doing is taking my Sawzall and just taking a little bit off this top board on the camper, not the in here. And we got it all in. Then we put our screws in the frame there. She's all mounted up. Now let's go take a look outside. Okay, so I think what we had was a two-way in here. So we just got to pull this plug out and then hook your propane up here. And then we're going to unhook these two wires, our black and white here, and we got our white and our black here. We're going to hook those up for the 12 volt. And then we'll find a place to run this cord to plug it into 110 so we have 120 volt whatever too. So there's your little striker deal. You set this on, do all that. But I'll get some different tools out later. Like I say, it's that easy. You just screw this on, hook these two wires up, you're ready to go. So where this is a three-way though, we want to have it set to work on everything. It has like 12 volt on, 120 volt on, propane on. So, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed the video.